Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by making sure you have permission. Privacy matters and legal risk exists. Once that's clear, gather identifiers: full name, phone number, other emails, and any Apple ID clues. Make sure your Mac or iPhone is nearby because many lookups use device-side features. Now open Contacts and Mail. This is your first action. You're looking for address autocompletes and linked cards. These early checks often reveal an iCloud address without complicated tools. Next, dive into Apple ecosystem clues. Open the person's contacts card or your shared contacts. Apple often stores an iCloud address in labeled fields. Once done, scan mails to autocomplete an iMessage or FaceTime contact entries because those sync Apple ID. If you share family sharing or shared iCloud Drive folders, check the invite history for the associated email. Make sure to cross-check variations: first name, last name at iCloud.com, and phone-to-email linkages. To finish, verify the address by asking the person or sending a calendar or file invite. Their acceptance confirms the iCloud email. If you lack device access, use account recovery hints you're entitled to or ask mutual contacts for confirmation. If things go wrong, make sure your own iCloud and contacts sync are enabled. Check spelling variants and common formats, and confirm family sharing visibility. If nothing works, stop and request consent before trying more invasive approaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.